Morning guys, welcome to the channel. A very quick video for you today because I'm just down here. Sorry it's all green, I need to sort out. Do you know what someone said to me? Put the camera up again. Wait a minute. That didn't work, did it? Somebody said put the camera up against the wall and it would like sort the contrast out or something, but it didn't work. What are we doing then? So I'm down here at the minute. I've had loads of stuff sent in to go on the walls, which I'm gonna do. This is off a boat. Somebody sent that in. It's off their boat that's gonna go on the wall. I've got another parcel there. Haven't even opened it yet. To go with my postage stamp. That's actually like 2 meters, that thing. It's massive. It's quiet at the minute. In all honesty, I've had 2 jobs in 10 days. So the trucks are clean. It is absolutely peeing down out there. Poor old Lenny is stuck outside. I've done loads of work on this. Oh look, so this is new. New lights. I'm a little bit annoyed because that one's not very straight. That one's straight. I don't really know how I got it so wrong, but I'll sort that. The one thing I wanted to say was about this GYSFlash. Now, I bought this with my own money and they are bloody expensive. They're not cheap, but you get what you pay for. And I wanted to show you it in action. Can you see it? So at the minute, because Ronnie hasn't moved for a while, we're just doing a little bit of work on Ronnie. And one of those is just to make sure that the batteries are in top condition. So I'm running them through a recondition. And honestly, this battery charger is incredible. So it's giving me a percentage. It's 95% through a reconditioning now. It cleans up the cells as well. So it's just a fantastic battery charger. But the other mode it's got on it that I wanted to tell you about is it's got like a showroom mode or a diagnostic mode. Yesterday when I was fitting the lights to that, so I basically had to feed wiring all the way up through these turrets, if you like, to get up there. So I was wiring all these in, but I had to have the lights on, the hazards on and everything on for hours. I was in here, it took me about 3.5 hours to trace all the wiring properly and make it a decent job. And for that GYSFlash, perfect, because I could just put it into diag mode. I set it to 13.5 volts as if it had the alternator running, so as if the engine was running. And I could run the full lights, everything, and the battery didn't even remotely take a hit on it. It was almost like the engine was running the whole time. So yeah, there you go. If you are after a battery charger, I promise you, you cannot get any better than the GYSFlash. Obviously, they did send me that trolley. For full transparency, they did send me the trolley, but I did pay out of my own money for that battery charger. So a big thank you to them. But yeah, that's about it really. It was just a quick catch up to say there's stuff going on the walls. Look at my new electrics. And the old Jaffa plates up there. But yeah, big shout out to my mate Jason who fitted my electrics. We're gonna have a TV on the wall there so we can watch a bit of YouTube. We've even been looking at a mezzanine floor is it? Whatever you call it, to go there. So that we can have like a lounge area. It's just going to be like a massive man cave, isn't it? I hope you're all well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and living your best lives. Thanks very much, guys. See you on the next one. Much love.